Instagram, Facebook. You know me, Mark Morris, Tom. Are you struggling with how to keep your teeth clean until you finally have the confidence to go into the dentist? I'll show you a couple of products that I've used. Remember, I told you when I was younger, I didn't go to the dentist in grade school. Finally went to the dentist when I was in high school. Got teased. I had teeth all over. One teeth that was overlapping here. Had a couple of teeth coming from the side. Didn't do anything. Went to all guys school. Still got talked about. Then finally, Miss Mills, my counselor, said, "You know, Mark, you should consider going to the dentist. Make you improve your smile." Luckily, I went. Found out I had a rare gum disease. If I hadn't gone, I'd have lost all my teeth. Since then, 38 years of dental experience. So if you're struggling with going to the dentist, let me help you out. This is one of the products. Go to 202BuiltToBox.com, 202BuiltToBox.com. I also have a subscription page. This is one of the products that I use. Make sure you subscribe. Look at the product. This is a floss threader. Talk to you about it more later.